Welcome to our channel. If you need to check the warranty status of your Apple TV using its serial number, follow these step-by-step instructions to verify coverage and support eligibility. Step 1. Locate your Apple TV's serial number. You can find it on the bottom of the device, on the original packaging, or in the device's settings menu. Step 2. If checking via the device, turn on your Apple TV and navigate to settings from the home screen using your remote. Step 3. In Settings, select General, then choose About. Scroll through the information to find the serial number field. Step 4. Write down or take a photo of the serial number. It's typically a 12-character code containing both letters and numbers. Step 5. On your smartphone or computer, open a web browser and go to Apple's warranty check website at checkcoverage.apple.com. Step 6. Enter your Apple TV's serial number in the text field provided on the page. Type carefully to ensure accuracy. Step 7. Complete the CAPTCHA verification by entering the characters shown in the image to prove you're not a robot. Step 8. Click Continue or Submit to check the warranty status. Apple's system will retrieve information about your device. Step 9. Review the warranty information displayed. You'll see details about your Apple TV model, purchase date, warranty coverage status, and eligibility for AppleCare Plus if applicable. Step 10. The page will show if your Apple TV is still under the standard 1-year limited warranty, if you have AppleCare Plus coverage, and your eligibility for technical support. You can also see the estimated expiration date of your coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.